Clear the coupling.
It's disconnected. Back her up.
Perfect, he looks magnificent. Wow, there he is, it's Thomas the Tank Engine. He looks exactly like the show.
And so, after years of dedication, Thomas is finally home, restored to his former glory.
Keep the ascent steady. Roger that. Watching the load. Looks clear below.
Look at the corrosion on these spokes.
Yeah, we'll need to buff this section before we repaint.
Look at that finish. Absolutely flawless.
Yeah, they did a great job. It's like a mirror.
Hold on, what's that near the top weld?
Ah, that's just dust. The clear coat is flawless.
Alignment on axle 2 is spot on.
Confirmed, we are within tolerance.
Bring it forward just a touch.
Okay, easy down now.
Start bolting on your end.
The alignment on axle 2 looks perfect.
Confirmed. The lateral runout is within tolerance.
Okay, hold it right there. We're clear on the left side. A little to the east, just a hair.
We need to align the boiler before we attach the tanks.
Yes, the schematic shows the valve gear connects right here.
Pressure holding steady at 5,000.
Alignment is perfect. We are almost fully seated.
Okay, retracting the ram now. How's the alignment looking down there? Keep coming, steady, steady. Stop right there. Okay, it's seated. All right, easy now, a little to the left. Got it, look straight.
The dimensions match the specs exactly, 12 feet on the boiler.
Buffers are regulation 8 inches. We're clear for installation.
Are the holes lined up yet?
Almost there. Push it in now.
Looks perfect. We did it.
We did it. Panel gaps are all within tolerance, eh?
Good. The paint finish looks superb too.
Ready for sign-off then? That's the last chain secured.
Perfect. All documentation is complete. Looks great.
Control, we are clear for movement. Doors are fully open.
Acknowledged. Thomas is rolling. Keep watch on the buffer beam.
Keep it slow. Watch the clearance on the right.
Copy that. Speed holding at 2.
Clear the coupling.
It's disconnected. Back her up.
Perfect. He looks magnificent.
Final turn on this linkage. That's the one. She's set. Got the connecting rod bearings.
All right, hit the valve gear next. Make sure it's fully coated.
Wow, there he is. It's Thomas the tank engine. He looks exactly like the show.
And so, after years of dedication, Thomas is finally home, restored to his former glory.
Look at his face. I know, he looks amazing. Make sure you get a good shot.
The transformation of Thomas from an abandoned jungle wreck to this beautiful display is now complete.